So Manny and I pulled the Reddiwhip out of the mini fridge. And I'm pretty sure it's
like frozen
solid. I don't know if you can see the
there's like
frostbite. Yeah, feel it. It's
nothing even like shakes in it. Does it shake?
So we're wondering whether or not it's really frozen. So I guess there's only one way to find out. What should I spray it on? Maddie's
Oh no, I'm afraid. It's probably gonna like burn me. Oh, I'm afraid. It's really cold. Oh, it's really cold. Oh, little ice chunks came out!
This is not as exciting as I was kidding.
It's really cold air. Oh! False alarm, false alarm.
It's really cold.
Nothing came out. Here, I'll do it.
Is it bad that we're letting all the air out?
Oh. Is that bad?
I don't know, but it's
Is there
frozen.
air in
It's
it?
frozen anyway.
I feel like it's gonna explode.
Keep doing it.
No, it doesn't do anything anymore.
What the hell, dude?
Just a shake.
Yeah. It's like a huge clump.
It's gonna come out.
Yeah, it's frozen anyway.
Is mini fridge too cold?
Maddie, come here.
Oh!
Put it in your
Yay!
mouth. Put your mouth down here. Open your mouth. It's not coming out. Wait.
It's like shaving cream. Oh, it is good.
Is it good? Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
That is good. It didn't come out, it just sprayed in my face.
No.
It's like a clump.
No watching. Perverts on the internet. I know what you're doing.
Well, that wasn't very exciting.
I think it was.